Have you ever wondered how your entire life, from thoughts to actions, memories to feelings to experiences, is controlled by the human brain? A 3-pound mass of material that resembles jelly? Embark on a journey to decipher the mysteries of the brain, the human body's most intricate organ. The brain is divided into several parts, each with a distinct function. The largest part, the cerebrum, controls thinking, learning, and voluntary movement. It's further divided into 2 hemispheres, each responsible for the opposite side of the body. The right hemisphere controls creativity and spatial awareness, while the left hemisphere handles analytical and logical tasks. Each hemisphere is further divided into 4 lobes. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the brain, is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and planning. The parietal lobe, situated behind the frontal lobe, processes sensory information like touch and spatial positioning. The temporal lobe, located at the base of the brain, is involved in visual memories, processing sensory input, and comprehending language. Lastly, the occipital lobe, at the very back of the brain, is primarily responsible for vision. Beneath the cerebrum lies the cerebellum, which coordinates muscle movements and helps maintain posture and balance. And at the very base of the brain is the brainstem, which controls automatic functions necessary for life, such as heartbeat, breathing, and swallowing. Then there's the limbic system, the emotional brain, which includes the thalamus, hypothalamus, amygdala, and hippocampus. These structures control emotions and memory. The hypothalamus, for instance, regulates body temperature, hunger, and thirst, while the hippocampus is involved in forming new memories. The brain is teeming with billions of neurons, or nerve cells, which transmit information to other nerve cells, muscles, or gland cells. Most neurons have a cell body, an axon, and dendrites. The axon sends information away from the cell body, and dendrites bring information to the cell body. The brain is an intricate and fascinating organ. It's the command center for the human nervous system, controlling our thoughts, memories, speech, and movements. It's also responsible for the complexity and depth of human emotion. The brain's complexity is not without vulnerabilities. Diseases like Alzheimer's can wreak havoc on the brain, leading to memory loss and changes in behavior. Understanding how the brain works not only unravels the mysteries of human nature and consciousness, but also paves the way for treatments for brain disorders. In summary, the human brain, a marvel of evolution, is the hub of our nervous system. It's divided into several parts, each with a specific function, from processing sensory information to controlling movement to regulating our emotions and memories. It's a complex network of billions of neurons that send and receive messages, but it's also vulnerable to diseases that can disrupt its normal functioning. Understanding the brain is a key step towards understanding ourselves and finding cures for debilitating brain disorders.